So it is wash day.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be featuring my staple products, what I normally use for my wash day when I'm not trying out new products. I have been a natural for quite some time. You can check out my natural hair journey video to see how long I've been natural, because off the top of my head, because I'm so tired, I can't think of it right now. I don't know what your life looks like, but in my life, I work 3 jobs. I go to school. I have 2 kids. So I kind of have to schedule my wash day around my work schedule, parenthood, and of course my school schedule. So today I actually called off of work because I was so tired. So I was like, hey, why not wash my hair? Duh. So it is now 10:29, and I just want to keep the time going here because I want to let you know how long it takes for me to actually wash my hair. Keep in mind that I am washing my hair around, a couple of events in my life. So it may seem longer than most people wash day. However, in between time, I'm getting other things done. So let's just hop right into it, okay? My hair is in a ponytail, which it always is on wash day. I do not, play with my hair throughout the week. After I'm done with step Z, I'll put it up into this ponytail and it does not get touched until next wash day. I spray my hair really good with water. Let me get the mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. And I can still even feel product on my hair. I squeeze it in very gently. And I hop into the shower and I allow the steam to, allow that water to penetrate the hair and go to the core. And then after I hop out the shower, I'll get into my pre-poo stage. So let me take a shower right quick. I am right back. The shower woke me up a little bit, so I'll have more energy throughout this video. Exciting. So I'm done with my shower. The time is now 10:54, and I want to show you my pre-poo process before I begin my wash day. So what I have here is some 100% just pure coconut oil. I have my wide tooth comb. I have my rat tail comb, and the only thing that I use this for is my parts. So if I feel that hairs have crossed between twists, I only use the tail. And I have my brush. The other thing that I have that is extremely important to me is my gloves. Only because my nails are most of the time ratchet and I don't have time for my nails to be snagging my hair. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is start my detangling process. Just taking one twist out and unraveling it. I am very gentle with my hair, only because I love my hair. And like I said, it's extremely coily. I have 4C hair, so I know how easily it breaks if I'm rough. And I loosen up the curls. You can see my hair is not dry. It's not ashy. I don't know how dull looking. That's a better way to say it. On that 7-day mark with washing my hair. I mean, life happens. Don't get me wrong. Some days it's just pushed to 9 days because that's just what it is. However, when you find the products that work for you, you will still be able to feel them. Like, they won't be completely depleted by your 8th or your 9th day. See, I don't know if you can see this, but let's see. That's just shed hair. Your hair naturally sheds, I don't know, 200,000 strands a day. I don't know. I'll find the fact somewhere. And I put coconut oil from roots to tip. I take my wide tooth comb, start at the ends first. And I can see that my hair is not that tangled, so I don't think, at least on this twist, that I need the brush. Because if I can do without it, I'm okay with it. That's just less breakage. But what I want to do is get out the shed hair as much as possible. Sometimes I may take the brush and just do it on the ends to help me pull down the shed hair. This is a knot. What I want to do here is just simply clip it off with my scissors. Now these scissors here I only use on my hair is because I don't want them to become dull. And you know, if you cut your hair with dull scissors, oh my god, you're just doing more damage. I have high porosity hair. My hair dries out really, really fast. Even through the gloves, I can feel that the moisture has evaporated. And once I'm satisfied with that twist is detangled, I add a little bit more coconut oil. And then I twist it up. It's so important that has changed my life with detangling, because it used to take me hours and hours and hours to detangle, is because I used to twist my twist really loose at the root, and I would get so many tangles up here after shampooing. Now what I do is I twist it tight at the root. Believe me, the shampoo still goes through and I'm able to rub it, but I don't get as many tangles as I used to, barely none, when I used to leave it loose and then shampoo, because I shampoo with my twist in. And I twist how I would normally twist, you know, maybe a little looser, but still pretty tight, because what I want to prevent is my hair from retangling after I just detangle it, because I don't want to run my comb through my hair again. Convenient also, because if I have to wear my Pre-Poo to work or out and about like I am today, you know, it just looks like I have twists in my hair. It don't look like I'm, you know, on step 4 of a wash day. Twirl my hair at the end. You can see I have still a little straggly pieces right here, and what I'll do is I'll just politely dust my ends. Don't be rude. And that's how the twist looks. Okay, I am done with pre-pooing, detangling my hair, and all I'm going to do now is just simply put this up in a low ponytail. Oh, there we go. Like I did this side here. There we go. And I'm going to take my plastic bag. The time is now 1:21. So it did take me some time, but this is the long part. Like the hard part is over with, okay? So I'll put on my plastic bag. And I'm going to go take care of the rest of my business. All right, it's shower time. As you can see, the time is now 1:35 a.m. And it should be bedtime, but honestly, who got time for that? Before I do anything, I'll put my gloves on. Washing my hair and twists is just how you would shampoo or condition your hair, so it's nothing special about that. So let's just jump right on into my staple products. So for my shampoos, I break it up into a clarifying shampoo and a moisture-rich shampoo, and I kind of alternate between weeks. For my clarifying shampoos, I have the Main Choice Pink Lemonade line and the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil line. Now, I have to tell you, I love the Main Choice better, but the Maui Moist Curls Coconut Quench line, I love that price best, but they both do great jobs. For my moisture rich shampoo, I have the Alikay Naturals Black Soap. I am so in love with that shampoo. That is like my #1 overall. In the Main Choice Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. Moving on to the conditioners, I have 3 deep conditioners, Love Naturals being at the very top. That using that deep conditioner, even if I'm having a really, really bad wash day, my hair always turns out great. Followed up with the Shea Moisture Anti-Breakage Strengthening Mask and the High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask from Shea Moisture also. Shea Moisture products are not canceled in my book, but I can tell you these are the only 2 products that I like from any collection that they made. So I don't use a lot of Shea Moisture products, only these 2 because they don't work for my hair. Back again. The time is now 9 o'clock a.m. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out of my hair. So what I'm going to do is do the lock method on one side of my head and then come back for the other side on camera so I can show you how I moisturize my hair for the week. I too believe in the LOC method. So my 3 main leave-ins are the Love Naturals Love Me and Leave-In Conditioner, Adwoa Beauty Baomint Leave-In Conditioning Styler, and the famous Kinky Tresses Hair Milk. Now I DIY my own oil, so if you want to see how I put my oil blends together, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to make a video about it. Followed by my creams. Now my top cream stylers are the Kinky Tresses Coconut Mango Hair Butter. That is #1 for me. That's followed by the Jane Carter's Curls On The Go Curls Cocktail and the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream. I can tell you a common thing with all my products is 80% of them are pH balance. If you want me to talk about more what pH balance means, let me know in the comments below. However, I think pH balance and natural hair is like peanut butter and jelly. They go together. They're meant to be forever. That's it. They just best friends. I have seen my hair change dramatically when I start using products that were pH balanced. And not only did the product go on smooth on the hair, yet it lasted longer. It laid my cuticles down. I think that's something us naturals have to talk more about because it is so vital to the health of our hair. That is my lock method. And what I normally do is take out my ponytail. And I use a black band. Let's see if I have one. A black band. And I lay it down. So that is it. That's how my week looked. And I don't touch my hair until next wash day. So, thanks guys. Take care.